can't slide, you can't drive. Yeah. That's it.
That's dangerous operation. That's criminal. Whether it's private property or not, that's criminal.
Rum, 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 I'm an idiot. Rum, rum, rum.
Alright guys, before we finish this episode of TooFast TV, I'm going to show you guys this next project that you're probably going to see a little bit of next week or in maybe 2 weeks. Who knows? It depends on how long it takes me to edit. But this car behind me, yo, I'm just going to show you what we're doing to it. Because like, yo, what we got here? Let's open it up. Open it up. Ooh, look at all these pieces, you guys. Yes, we are putting together a jigsaw puzzle. But that's all for next week. These guys are gonna start on it now. I'm gonna record it now. And then, yeah. Ah, look. It's the star. Oh my gosh. And I got some Starbucks.
I saw the funniest thing. Some guy was in a van petting a rooster or chicken.
Petting a rooster?
Yeah, I mean, it was on his lap. I came in and I'm like, I have to tell you this.
Shit you only see in Toronto. On that note, guys, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you follow us on TikTok and Instagram at TooFast TV. Yeah, I know, it's her car, and don't worry, we're working on it, alright? And I'll see you guys next week. What?
T, what do you think?
I feel like it's missing a lip and side skirts. It's not bad.
Go tell that to the owner.
I'm gonna tell her that.
Yeah, she's inside.
Right to her face.
Looks nice though, right? It looks clean. You tell me right now, what do you think that is? You think that's a wrap or paint?
It's a wrap.
Are you sure, bro?
Positive.
He's a genius.
Alright, I'm gonna let you get back to work. Go park this, go unload those tires.
I got it.
Looking nice, Salim?
Wow. Sick color. Wow,
Even down to the rivets then.
the rivets are sick. Yeah, I like how they black this out. Nice, nice.
So what, does it pass the Salim approval?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Here on the side.
Yeah, the dragon. The lions.
Looks sick.
It's really hard to see, but like,
Yeah.
Am I blind?
right here.
Oh. Yeah.
This
kinda
helmet
see it.
coated it and everything.
Looks sick.
Yeah, that is sick.
Okay, I'm going back. It's cold. My sweater's in the back. Can you bring it?
I'm bringing the whole car.
She wants you to walk her sweater over and then come get the car.
Yo, so there's this TikTok, right? And it's like, you know when you get in a girl's car, right?
I was
Yo, man. Oh.
You would have fully fallen out if there wasn't water on the ground.
To slide that seat back.
Your tracks
Oh
today.
man.
Is that even enough space for you?
Oh, bro, I got in and Chris Brown was playing and literally the radio music turned on and it goes, I was like, what the hell?
You better go talk to her. What she listening to?
Bro, what you listening to in your car? What?
You want me to rev it in here?
Well, I want you to rev it everywhere. No, don't rev it too loud in here. Just, you know, back it up. We'll do it outside.
Okay, deal.
You know?
You got to close the door first. Why? Just in case Ricky's on the phone. Ricky's on the phone? Just in case.
So Big T just got his downpipe. And how you liking it?
It's too amazing.
It's too amazing.
It's too much drip.
Too much drip. Let me hear this shit. Jeez. You are officially a bimmer, boy.
Too much.
Driving a BMW.
If you don't know, follow him on the gram. Follow his YouTube channel. Black Fang, he out here.
Wes, you have to come do it, bro. I want to see if it shoots flames.
Do that outside.
It's going so cold.
What do you think?
Sounds nasty.
How was the install on this? Was it pretty easy or?
Oh yeah, this one's easy, man. N55 is way easier than N54.
Yeah.
Only one pipe.
Fair enough.
Sir?
How does that feel driving? Is it hot?
Bro, it's blast! No! No donuts, bro. What the fuck? Hold on.
Did you case lock it?
No.
The car's half the size as guys.
Alright, ready?
Big T was gonna run better. Running it too high for the pump to happen.
Yo, fam. It's
TooFast TV.
Hey.
Yeah.
He already knows what it is.
I know what it is.
Yankish. So high off this rubber.
Your laughter gets every time.
You can't slide. You can't drive. It is what it is.
basketball.
I don't.
Why is that?
I was a soccer playing Negro.
Why?
I don't know. I was just a soccer guy.
You're both more of like a wrestler.